Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my video. So let's go now about video. This video just basic one only, basic car and maintenance class. Basic car care and maintenance class. So let's go for video. Okay. Basic car care and maintenance class. One only. Okay. Ladies, do you struggle with basic car maintenance? Have you been repair of or made to feel silly by a mechanic or friends because you don't know how to change a tire and check your oil? The NWR Auto Skill Center understands this issue and is here to help. Join us for our popular automotive lecture. Latest edition from 2 to 3:30 p.m. At the Auto Skill Center, this free class is uh, designed by empowerment in car maintenance in a separate, separated judgment-free space. But we will learn how to change a tire, check the oil, top off fluids, and check tire pressure. Basically, how to maintain your car in between service. How to save money by ensuring your car is well maintained. The knowledge. The knowledge you need to ensure you are never repaired by a mechanic again. What the mechanic talk actually means in everyday term you can understand. The class is free to attend, but registration required. Hit a date and register no. So car maintenance, second stage, to be reduced second stage. Number 6, this is not essentially skill, but it is really easy to do on your own and can save you some money at the mechanic. Number 8, if you have already topped up the windshield wiper fluid and you are experiencing streaks or inappropriate cleaning up of your windows. Turn your wiper blades right way. Visibility is important, especially in extreme weather. And you don't want to pay a mechanic to do this simple job for you. I actually keep a set of wiper blades in my trunk, and they are super simple of swap out. Check your pressure and filter. You can check your pressure with a small air pressure tool. Keeping the glove of as it can double as a tool for breaking windows. If you ever get trapped in the car or with a penny, I prepare the tool as it's more access. And I also keep it quartered in the glove box if I ever need to add with air, not actually air, to the tire. Number 10, stay on top of scratches. If your car has a metal exterior, a small scratch can lead to rushing. If your nails are scratched, try buffing it out, and if that doesn't work, invest in a small bottle sealant or car paint a prevent moisture for entering the opening. While not an essential skill, keeping a clean car is something that makes a car. Difference in car ownership, I feel calmer and more invested in my car when I have taken the time to empty out all of the little items that can clutter up the small space and spend $1 becoming it out. I use regular cleaning water to remove dust and food harm. Also being a cautious driver can prevent the needs for repairs. Going slowly over potholes and speed bumps bumps is a great training start. Now, there are some advanced skills to consider learning once you have checked all the above. Number one, knowing how to change a tire and use a car jack. Knowing how to flush your radiator, replacing oil filter, changing the oil, not just topping up. So this video you're adjusting your car is the very important video. I hope you are understand. 7 car maintenance tips every woman driver should know. Even though this story of a car can be tracked back to the second half of the 17th century. The automotive industry is largely focused on the portion of the male population. Even to this day, when a car is designed, produced, and marketed, it is still true of the male needs it is supported to satisfy. Speed and attractive looks as often said safety and durability don't get us wrong. It's no big surprise. It is man, after all. How get weekly excited about the powerful rumble of the engine and the way the car just plays down the highway when it's left it lows. However, this also means that car maintenance is regularly, largely focuses on man's abilities and understanding of the way machinery works. Note, you can bring your car and at any time to our auto service shop in Hamilton. If you are not sure how to fix the problem, our professional licensed mechanic can help. Having in mind that nowadays the number of female drivers is reducing if not accelerating that of female norms. We have decided to share and seven car maintenance to every woman driver should know. Choose a car that suits your needs. Seeing as most women are not a positional about cars and men, then tend to see vehicles as a means to an end. When a woman is buying a car, she really views it as a shiny new toy she just has to have. What she is actually looking for in a car are the way it will get the job done. So thanks for watching my video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you, good luck, bye bye.